Hi guys! Ayan, isi-share ko sa inyo yung aking nabili sa Costco na ginagamit ko. Olay Super Serum. Ubus na yung aking nagamit last month. So, nakakita ako sa Costco. 2-pack na siya. So, binili ko na siya. Kasi medyo hindi siya ganun ka-pricey. Ayan. Ang ganun siya. Pwede siyang day and night, and even you're under your makeup, pwede mo siyang gamitin. Look at the package. Ang cute, diba? Glowing package pa lang. Ayan. They have niacinamide, collagen peptide, vitamin C, vitamin E, yan, salicylic acid, lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin. Diba? Look at that. Pag nilagay mo siya sa skin mo, nako, meron siyang glowing effect. Promise. Look at that. It's a lightweight, hindi siya ganun katik, at it's a lightweight on your skin. And look at the natural glow. See? Ang ganda, diba? And they target your skin concern, like brightness, yung barrier ng skin mo, inaayos niya, exfoliation, may firmness, yan, isa yan sa mga, yung mga fine lines mo. And this one is a good for all skin type. That's why I love it. Yan. Look at the glow. Diba? Natural. And it's okay siya na gamitin mo talaga siya sa under your makeup. Nako, it's glowing, guys. They have visibly firm, smooth. They hydrate your skin. Even tone your dark spot. Yeah, they have brighten. And look at they minimize your pores. Especially, wag mo kakalimutan ng leeg. It's a better skin texture for us. Look at that. It's glowing, right? Ang ganda. Nagamit ko na siya last month. Ubusan lang talaga ako. So, nakita ko siya noon. Yung binili ko. At 2 pack pa siya. Ang ganda ng benefits niya. Day and night yan. Glowing. See? Try nyo to, guys. It's a Olay Super Serum. And dermatologist tested to. Kaya hindi ka matatakot gamitin. Diba? Try nyo Olay Super Serum for healthy looking skin.